Union Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia held an important meeting with the airport operators on the key issue of improper handling of passengers at the airport. The other key stakeholders who were part of this important meeting include officials from BCAS, the Bureau of Civil Aviation, as well as the officials from CISF, the security agency. Sources have also informed that the key attendees also include CEO of Mumbai, of Bangalore and Hyderabad Airport. Delhi International Airport operator was also part of this meeting. The immigration officials, Delhi Airport Immigration Head was also part of this meeting. The important agenda was that the improper handling of passengers at airport. Recently, especially at Delhi Airport and Mumbai Airport, passengers have to wait for a long span of time. They have to stand in long queues because there was no proper support or guidance from the airport operator, because of which many passengers have even missed their flights, and many passengers even took to social media. They complained about the improper handling of passengers, after which Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia today held this important meeting, and a clear message that has been given to the airport operators as well as other stakeholders that passengers' convenience is the topmost priority. The minister also said to expand the use of Digi Yatra, the app through which the passengers can easily enter the airport. They can easily pass on through the security checkpoints. Along with this, the airport operators have been given specific directions so that this sort of inconvenience is not caused to the passengers. But yes, the message is loud and clear. The passengers' convenience has to be the topmost priority, and for this, any step that has to be taken, that will be taken by the airport. And now it is being assured from the airport operator side that things will improve and they will look after all the key issues so that no such problem occurs to the passengers in coming time.